We're on the cusp of the rumored Samsung Galaxy S24 launch, and the rumor mill has been bustling, teasing out much of what to anticipate in Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup. However, the anticipated pricing for the Galaxy S24 range remains shrouded in uncertainty. The latest price leak, sourced from Galaxy Club, a Dutch news site, claims to reveal the potential price tags for the 3 expected Galaxy S24 models in Europe. According to their report, the Galaxy S24 might start at Euro 899, the Galaxy S24 Plus at Euro 1149, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra at Euro 1449. It's anticipated that, akin to previous models, the S24 Plus and Ultra will feature a base storage of 256 GB, while the S24 might come with 128 GB. Comparing these purported prices to the Galaxy S23 lineup in Europe offers a mixed view. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's price is speculated to be higher than its predecessor, while the S24 and S24 Plus could be cheaper than their forerunners. Contradicting earlier rumors, this recent report stands in contrast. Previously, Twitter leaker had suggested that Galaxy S24 prices would remain unchanged, attributing this to Samsung's decision to potentially use Exynos 2400 chips instead of the pricier Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Silicon in select markets. However, this potential price hike in Europe for the Galaxy S24 Ultra may not necessarily reflect US pricing. Manufacturers typically set prices regionally, and Samsung might pursue a different pricing strategy market. Currently, the Galaxy S23 starts at $799 for the base model, with the Plus and Ultra versions priced at $999 and $1,199, respectively. Interestingly, an increase in the Galaxy S24 Ultra's price aligns curiously with Apple's recent price bump for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, putting it on par with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's cost. As we await the expected Galaxy Unpacked event around January 17, further pricing details may surface. The Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to be the highlight of Samsung's upcoming release, with anticipated enhancements including a titanium frame and an upgraded telephoto camera. Moreover, advancements are expected across all 3 models. However, despite speculations, one anticipated feature, the ability to connect to satellites for emergency messages, might not make it to the Galaxy S24. Reports suggest that the test units Samsung is currently using do not exhibit this capability, contradicting earlier expectations.